Nestle KitKat bars are popular worldwide, and that includes Japan, where they take things to the next level and put spins on things for seasonal reasons, for regional reasons, whatever the case. People like variety, they like limited editions. Some don't stay so limited if they're very popular. And one of them is this otona no amasa, which means sweetness targeting adults. So basically, it's not so sweet. There's less milk in it and less sugar. And I find that these are the best Kit Kats out there. They hit your chocolate craving without dousing you with large quantities of milk and sugar. It's perfect. I recommend trying all the Kit Kats from Japan. They have a nice green tea one, which is interesting. But this one is my top pick. You can eat it as is. So let's do that. So you can see right away how dark it is. Very dark, almost black. This one got smushed a bit, so it's not as perfect on the cover, but wow, it tastes great. It's not a bitter chocolate. It's just not exceptionally sweet. I would say it might have a higher percentage of cacao. No, I can't find any reference to how much cocoa butter is in here, but it certainly tastes chocolatey. But if you want something really milky, this is not for you. This is a more sophisticated Kit Kat, hence the otona no amasa. Another tidbit here some of you might enjoy is the fact that one of these packages with 2 bars that you break has a mere 63 calories. So I'd say there probably is quite a bit less sugar in here than the normal ones. But I wouldn't say, they're low in sugar. There's definitely sugar in here. But if you love chocolate and you want to make a small effort, this is the way to go. I have to recommend you at least try it because it is yummy.